pterodactyl mixed with a T-Rex. T-Rectodactyl.
Do you want that? Do you want the kids to know that you were bald? Go back to sleep. Timothy! Timothy, we went.
By the time I noticed something was wrong, the entire
YouTube
was infested with
idiots.
Bro, what the frick is wrong with me, bro?
Yo, what up and welcome back to the channel. How long has it been? 2 weeks?
Oh, I'm hurt! Oh!
I found out that we have 38 new subscribers, bro. 38? Plus 11? 49? Bro, we 49% away from 100 subscribers, bro. I wanna thank y'all so much. Genuinely, I wanna thank you. Thank you right there. You, Timothy. And I've had like, what, 10,000 views this past 2 weeks? Golly! Without further ado, let's play this game called Halloween. Now, Halloween is coming very soon. What you dressing up as? I'm dressing up as me, cause I'm that guy. Oh, shut up and play the game. Oh, we starting off like this? Okay. Feels good to be back. It feels good to be back. I hope everything's all good, cause things have been going wrong these past. Ooh, give me that. Things have been going wrong these past 3 days. I've been trying to record a video for y'all, but everything's been going wrong. Mic's distorted, too much background noise. This time is a comeback. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Yo, hold on.
Go, resident.
What's good? Oh, yep, hang up the phone. Yep. I ain't doing that. Objective. Send Tommy to sleep. Go to sleep, Tommy.
Why?
It's past your bedtime, my bro.
Why?
Turn the TV off. Yes, sir. Yup. Huh? What the freak was that? Close this. Yup. Doesn't belong to this door. Oh, yeah, we got Tommy. Yeah, I'm naming him Timothy, bro. Tommy doesn't sound like a kid's name, to be honest with you. Oh, we got Star Wars? Okay. Little references. Can y'all not get Wait, hold on. Y'all gonna get copyright for that? Better not copyright me as well. Was that closed before? That was not closed. It's Michael, bruh. Alright, Michael, you wanna play these games? I'm finna fold you like an omelet.
That is not correct.
Alright. Restore the power from the basement. Huh? What? Huh? What? Whoa, these sound effects, stop! Stop! Yo, Timothy, you good, boy? Timothy, we wet. What even happened? What are these sound effects? I don't like them, bro. Hey, yo, anyone in here? Anyone in here? I'm about to fold you like an omelet, mate. Don't play these games. I told you to go to bed, and you playing around, trying to scare me and stuff. I know it's you.
I shot an angel with my...
Timothy, I told you to go to bed. I will shave your head bald. Do you want that? Do you want the kids to know that you were bald? Go back to sleep, punk. Next time you do that, I'm about to beat your ass. Restore the power. Where's the basement? It has to be outside, right? Oh, it is. Okay. That's the outside door. Yo, Michael. I love your movies, bro. I love your movies. Alright? So don't fold me like an omelet now. Yo, Timothy. Bro, Timothy is gone again. Bro, that's little sh. Bro, Timothy, what is you doing? Oh no, we good. Well, I'ma just shut you in there. Wait, we have to hide? Man, give me some, like, Give me a gun, bro. I know I can get a gun. Give me the gun. Oh, we found a key. Yes, sir. In here? Ooh, okay. Yes, sir. Oh, we got another key. That must be the basement key. It has to be this time. Has to be this time. What's that? We got bullets! With a gun. But with a gun at? Bullets ain't no help without a gun. Just to make sure. Okay, so I don't waste my time going down to the basement, and it's not even for the basement, but what the freak did I just do? Open there, baby. These sound effects are way too realistic for my liking. I won't even lie to you. So we got another key. Don't know what that was for, but yeah. Wait, the power's back on. Oh! Hold on! Wait. Wait! Hold on! I'm gonna wait for him to come down, and then I'm gonna juke him.
Pterodactyl mixed with a T-Rex. T-Rectodactyl.
Get juked, boy! Hold on, close the door, Bro, we... sounded like Avengers right there, bro. Open. Oh, it's... Oh my god. I'm hiding. Ha! Close the... Try holding your breath with control. I'll wait for him to come through. Are we okay? Loud freaking noises, bro. You is not stealthy at all. And why is my power doing this? Why am my power doing this, bro? Hold the breath and... Yep. I'm not here, bro. I'm not here, bro. Yeah, sucker. We need to find that gun ASAP. Is he going back downstairs? Is that what that sound is? I hope so. Hide. We need to find this gun, bruh. Hold on. I can't see if he's in the room. Oh, you in here, bro? So that creaking sound is the stairs, bro. Those creaky freaking stairs. So we know if he's upstairs or downstairs. Bro, this is lit, bro. I like this game. Shout out to the devs. This is a fire game. You here? You not finishing me? Okay. It's the gun. Check the gun. Reload. Nope. Go back in. Nah. Yep. I got... What is that? Bullets? Is that bullets down... I don't know. Let's just use it. Come on, boy. Show your face, punk. Alright, let's go, punk. Let's go. Back in. Reload. Oh. Boom.
How can you see into my eyes? Like a
Boom. Get folded, boy. Oh my god. I gotta... Wait, what? Is he... He's alive still? After 6 shots to the back of the head? I don't know what I'm saying, bro. Outside. I'm going back to the basement. Yup. Any ammo? I got 1 bullet left, bro. I don't think that would... Maybe the last bullet would do it. Hold on. Open the door. Let's go. Come on. Can I reload? Nope, I had no ammo. Okay. Oh, look at him, he limping. Oh, what happened to your leg? You got shot in your head. I don't know why your leg's sore. Move. Hold on. Juke him? Yup, you got juked. Run! Dang! Alright. Sound like Avengers, bro. I need ammo. Where's the ammo? Hold on. Ammo. Timothy, you got the ammo, cuz? No, he just chilling. Okay. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. I don't know. Right there. Yup, pick that up. G! Reload! Yes, sir. Come through that door. Close the door. Come through the door. Come through. I dare you, bro. I dare you to come through. I dare. Die! Oh my god! Yeah, I'm gone. He's gonna resurrect again. I'm out. Goodbye. Oh, the police are here. Is he dead? Flashlight. Oh, he dead. Yes, sir. Look at the back of your head. Oh, Timothy, you good? I'm glad you're okay, Timothy. But you need a haircut, bro. Your hairline receding. Bruh. Like, look at the cut. Yeah, you need a new cut, bro. Okay, that was fire. I like that. That was like a breath of fresh air, low key. Like, I've never played a horror game like that. I've never seen a horror game like this. That was good. I messed with that. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'll be back, I promise. I won't take like 2 weeks off this time. And with that, hope you guys enjoyed that. And as always, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.